And yeah, it's a lot shorter that way.
Right on my arm.
But that's without the stabilizer sticking out the back, so it'll be a little bit longer.
That's without my arm.
So that's pretty cool. And then I think there's a piece that goes in here for strength also.
You guys can see it right here.
And then there's the rudder.
Looks like a truck. It's not my truck.
So see, you put the rudder. The rudder is going to go on the back here, like so. So look at after you get your other piece in there, it'll glue onto there. So there's your servos go in there.
Yep.
Pretty nice paint job on it. It's all painted, so there's no stickers on these kind of planes.
And don't use these as a sword if you get this, because they are very, very fragile.
Big propeller. It's an 11.
Whoa.
11 by 7 propeller, and it's pretty stiff. It's a Aero RC. I've never seen one of those, but yeah. All right, and then there's a box of goodies with so you have some laser cut pieces for your battery strap and that kind of thing, and then wheels. Let's see. Oh, go grab me a knife real quick and I'll open this up. You can see the landing gear and just typical foam wheels. It's got a nice motor mount that's like carbon fiber, and then some carbon fiber. Oh, all the horns for the servos are nice and carbon fiber pieces too. So, all right, we're gonna cut this open. I don't have my knife on me, so we're using a steak knife. Beautiful.
Steaky knife.
Okay, so you got the landing gear. It looks to be about 2 millimeter. I don't know my calipers, but that's about 2 millimeter. And then your wheels are just basic wheels, but it does have wheel collars, so they'll stay on there good. You put the wheel collar on the outside. They're fit good for that size, which is nice. So they'll spin. Yeah, they're gonna see how good they spin on there because they fit not too loose and not too tight. So see, just spin it around. Yeah, that's been good.
I want to test something on it.
Okay, we'll go test that. I'll show them the rest of the stuff. I'm going to leave this closed, but you have... Oh, actually, the motor mount is aluminum that mounts in.
Two things on it.
And then it's got your push rods. And another... Ooh, we got to make sure we don't lose that. That's a little teeny piece of carbon. It wasn't in with the other batch of them, so...
Let me see something.
Oh, it even comes with a Y. That's nice for your aileron. So this goes into the receiver. This goes to each aileron so that you don't have to use 2 channels for it.
Got it. Let me see how fast.
Oh, don't lose it.
About
Almost came out.
2 seconds it spins.
Okay,
So what happens?
so the other thing here is this is the...
it looks like car pieces.
Yeah, this is the servo horns for it, and then these are the control...
2 seconds.
For the control surfaces. So that's about it for that. I will do a video where we build it. Either I build it or Sager will be here sitting with me, but we'll build it on time lapse, so you don't have to sit here and watch us glue things and watch glue dry. So
it's like watching paint dry out on the wall.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me have that wheel so we can put it away.
All right, that was the review
of the Dancing Wings Hobby Shining. This is the V2 because I guess they did have a V1. This one came out in 2023, so it's a few years old, but not too old. Don't break those. We got to be careful with those. They can break that direction.
Sounds like a zapper.
Yeah. Yeah, nice carbon or nice wood pieces that they cut on the laser. Got a really nice laser cut on there. We have a laser as well, so I know how nice that is cut out, and you just pop it out.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's really,
almost,
really small.
It's smooth on the corners.
Yeah. All right, and then here comes our cat trying to eat things.
Ugh.
And we're not going to allow that.
It's so shiny.
All right, until the next video, this is
RC Plans with Dad.
All right.